Hi, I'm Dan from On Top Marketing. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up Bing Webmaster Tools. Very first step, go into Google, which is kind of ironic, and search for Bing Webmaster Tools and then go through. First thing you're going to have to do is create an account. So if we create a Microsoft account, click on create one here and then go ahead and sign up. I'm going to use my email address. Click on next. And now it wants to know your details, so just fill this stuff in. Right, so now you need to go to your email address and pull up, grab the verification code that they just emailed over. I've just got mine now. If you didn't get it, make sure you check your junk mail, and you might need to wait for about a minute or so. I don't want that, so just click next. And now we've got to do one of these things. Sure. Right, now what we need to do is we need to add our website address into here, or if you're already on the Search Console, you can actually import them here. So I will usually import them because it's a lot easier to do, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to actually just show you how to set it up in case you haven't got the accounts linked. You should be using the exact same email address for Search Console, Bing Webmasters, Google Analytics, Yandex Metrica, all these tools. I would advise using the same thing so there's no confusion as to what you need to log into. But as I say, I'm actually going to go ahead now and put do it manually, submit this manually. So I've got my website address here. I'll paste that in and click add. It says add a sitemap. You definitely want to do this. So because I'm using Yoast on WordPress, my sitemap is at sitemap_index.xml. Leave this to all day. About me, you can put this in if you like. I don't really think it makes much difference. Job role, industry, guess I'm probably going to be publishing and web, I guess. You really don't need all this information, so I'm just going to set that I'm in the United Kingdom. I am an agency, not a site owner. Now I'm going to select I'm an agency, not a site owner, and the reason being is because I'm going to have multiple accounts in here because I am an agency and I will have multiple clients in here. I will also have my own. So I'll do that. How often would you like to receive messages about sites issues? Leave that to weekly. Right, that's fine. Click save. Alright, so now we've got options as to how to verify this. The easiest way for most people is probably to place this code on the server. So I'm going to download this and save it. I've now come into FTP and I've gone to the root of my website. So this is right at the beginning before any of the WordPress files or anything. And I'm now going to simply drag and drop that in to the root, that file. That's in there now, and you see how it's got this little free here. We want to get rid of that. That's because I've downloaded multiple of these, so I just get rid of that and hit enter. Now when we come back to the Bing Webmaster Tools, we can now click on this verify button right here, and that's literally everything that we needed to do. So the site is now on Bing Webmaster Tools. We will have data from this point onwards. If you do it right now, you'll have data from that point onwards. We won't get previous data. But then the other thing that's obviously really good about this is that submits your sitemap. So now we've told Bing which pages to index, and we should hopefully start getting a little bit more traffic through Bing. Although, you know, Bing, you'll never get a load of traffic from it unless you're, you know, in certain industries. I do have clients that do get a fair amount, to be fair, but you will always get more from Google as of this moment. So that's pretty much all you need to do, and now your site is on Bing Webmaster Tools. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.